Upper screws.
Open the hood and remove the 8 screws, Torx 25, on the top of the radiator grille. The radiator grille itself then only holds on to 2 screws and can be easily removed. This is not absolutely necessary to remove the bumper. The radiator grille can therefore be removed either beforehand or together with the bumper.
Remove radiator grille, optional.
Unscrew the 2 screws below the license plate holder. You can then remove the grille from the front of the bumper. For vehicles with parking sensors, you still have to unplug the 2 installed here. To disconnect the sensors, pull the white gray lock slightly backwards, 5 mm. And then press directly on the lock and remove the plug from the sensor. Now you can completely remove the radiator grille.
Screws to the side.
Screws to the wheel housing liner. Remove 2 screws, Torx 25, from the wheel arch liner to the bumper.
Screws to the fender.
At the rear end, the bumper is attached to the fender with a screw, Torx 25. The screw is screwed from bottom to top. Remove screw.
Nuts to the fender.
For easier access, remove a few screws from the wheel arch liner, Torx 25. After the screws have been removed, you can push the wheel arch liner away a little. And therefore has good access to the nuts, wrench size 10, on the inside of the fender. The windscreen washer tank is installed on the right side, but there is also good access there. Remove both screws. Then pull the bumper sideways out of the guide.
Bottom screws.
On the underside, simply remove all screws, Torx 25, that are screwed through the bumper.
Disconnect electrics.
The bumper has 2 central connectors for all electronics. Both are installed somewhat hidden on the side member on the left side. Push the bumper away a little and follow the cables until you see the 2 plugs. Push the plugs inwards, i.e. away from the carrier. They are in a guide holder. You can then loosen the plugs, as usual with the VW group. To unplug, lever the lock back a little with a small screwdriver. This will release the lock at the front and you can remove the plug. Now you can remove the bumper.
Remove turn signals and fog lights.
Replacing the indicators and fog lights is also possible with the bumper installed. Remove the cross screw from the cover. Then pull the cover forward out of the bumper. To replace the indicator, remove the cross screw at the bottom end. And then pull out the indicator and unplug it. I won't explain the fog light in more detail now. It's only 3 screws and the video is already far too long. That's it for this tutorial. Good luck doing it yourself.